Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can share your favorite TikTok videos with your friends without copying the link. Let's go right into it. Come over here to the share button right here, the one with the arrow, click on it. Once it opens up, you'll see some of the list of your friends showing right here. Now, if the friend you want to send it to is not among this list right here, you can come over here to more, click on more. Once you get to more, you'll see more of the people that you can, more option of the people that you can send your videos to. Come right here and click the side button right there, and you can just send it. That's it. Another way you can do it is, once you click here, if that person is showing right here, you can just click on the person's picture or name right here, then send the video to the person, and that's it. Now, if you want to view the video has been sent to the person, click inbox, then come down. You can now see here messages and click on the person. Just click on it, and boom, you can see the video right here. Make sure that one, you are following the person and the person is following you too. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and this video has been useful to you, please like and follow for more. Bye.